This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Josh Bradley. Convenient, low-maintenance living at an affordable price. Come see this move-in ready townhome in the wonderful Powell Community. Main level features a living room, half bath, kitchen/dining area, and a laundry room. Upstairs you will find 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bath. Trash, pest, lawn and ground maintenance, and most of the exterior is covered by the HOA. Come and see today. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Bradley at 865-584-4700.